Don't download Marketo Ultimate Marketing Automation app before watching this. Before you download Marketo Ultimate Marketing Automation, here's a truth most marketers overlook. It's incredibly powerful, but only if you have a clear strategy and the right team to use it. Marketo Ultimate offers advanced lead nurturing, automated campaigns, segmentation, and analytics. But many users download it expecting a simple email tool. You won't believe how quickly beginners get lost in triggers, scoring models, and multi-step campaigns. Step 1. Map your customer journey. Marketo works best when you know every step from lead capture to conversion to retention. Without this roadmap, automation can backfire or create unnecessary complexity. Step 2. Use segmentation wisely. Most people get this wrong. They either over-segment or under-segment their audience. Proper segmentation ensures personalized messaging and higher engagement rates. Step 3. Monitor analytics. Marketo provides detailed reports on campaign performance, lead behavior, and ROI, but these insights are only valuable if you regularly review and act on them. The upside? When implemented correctly, Marketo Ultimate can increase lead conversion rates by up to 50%, recover abandoned leads, and deliver highly personalized marketing at scale. So, should you download it? Yes, if your marketing team is ready to invest time in planning, setup, and ongoing optimization. If you just want simple email campaigns, this platform may feel overwhelming. Subscribe for more honest breakdowns before downloading major marketing platforms.